So should an upper rad hose look like that? I don't think it's supposed to be twice the diameter of the outflow. Yeah. This is why you don't buy your hoses from auto parts stores, and you go get proper, hoses with cotton thread weave in them from, like, Gates or, some other reputable hose manufacturer. And not Advance Auto when you're on the side of the road because you bought one of these hoses from Advance Auto because it did that and then split when you hit a bump. So you had to stop at the next closest Advance Auto and buy one of these because, you got to get home. And then it swells up like this and it hits the corner of the fuse box, and then whenever you hit a bump, it splits it like a banana peel and then evacuates the entirety of your radiator. Yeah. Buy quality hoses so you don't get stranded. I'm out.